for joining me today for Crafty Kids. Today we are going to make a gingerbread house. I'm going to demonstrate an easy gingerbread dough recipe. The following ingredients that I'm going to use is the dry ingredients will be 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons ground ginger, 1½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. The wet ingredients, we will be using 1 cup or 2 sticks unsalted butter at room temperature, 3/4 cup packed light brown sugar, 1/2 cup molasses, 1 large egg, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Okay, I'm going to mix the all-purpose flour, ground ginger, ground cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. Mix the dry ingredients together. Okay, we're going to put that on the side, and then we're going to do the wet ingredients. You're going to take your 2 sticks of butter, put it in a bowl. Here you're going to beat the butter in a large bowl, medium speed and smooth. We're going to make it smooth and creamy about 2 minutes. Once you're done, go ahead and get a spatula and you're going to scrape the sides. Take your brown sugar and you're going to mix that. I want to beat it also for 1 minute. You're going to take your molasses and you're going to put it with the remaining ingredients. And we're going to mix this one until it's light and fluffy for 2 minutes. Add your 1 egg, and we're going to beat that together for 1 minute. Vanilla extract. And we're going to beat that on low. Take a sifter and we're going to sift the dry ingredients in the wet mixture. You're going to mix both ingredients together. You go ahead and use your fingers and you're going to go ahead and mix your ingredients together. Divide it in half. You're going to flatten it out. Wrap it with plastic wrap and you're going to let it chill in your refrigerator. It's going to be firm once it's chill. It says about 4 hours, but keep checking on it, and you can roll it out on parchment paper, and we're going to cut it out like a house and bake it. Here is the gingerbread dough. We chilled it in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. It's wrapped with plastic wrap. You're going to need some wax paper and a baking sheet to bake the cookies on. I printed a house for a gingerbread and cut it out, and I cut it on a recyclable cereal box, and these are the small pieces that we're going to cut the gingerbread with. Thank you for joining me today for Crafty Kids. Octavia Phelan Public Library would like to wish your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's.